Ishkaran, you heard
This is a
that?
fact.
Everyone's on.
This is a
No,
this is a fact.
I'm telling you, right now reactions are going wild to the questions that you have asked. Reactions are
this is a
going
fact.
wild.
This is
You
a
know,
fact.
I'm getting goosebumps. Reactions are going wild.
really
Sonal Mansingh, you heard that
big
this
revelation.
is... No, these are not just revelations. These are... When I am hearing Nilotpal today, and can I tell you, I have also received some letters. Much information is coming to me as well, Ishkaran. And not everybody is identifying themselves, but they trust us to put these questions in the public domain. And I want to say one thing today, Ishkaran, I will not let down the trust of the people. But when these are the questions, what amazes me, Ishkaran, and I want to come back to you, by the way, Nilotpal, when these are the questions which are there and these are the facts, what the hell was the Mumbai police doing by telling the whole world that he committed suicide?
Arnab, and what was the reason to come to that conclusion so soon?
Hello?
How much time?
Yeah, everyone on, please.
How many?
Yeah.
Arnab, how many seconds it took them to come to the conclusion? I'm not even saying minutes.
10
Because
minutes, not even 10
immediately
minutes, it seems.
That's what I'm saying. Not even 10, 15 minutes, you come to a conclusion where you find allegedly a healthy person who has died in mysterious circumstances. I am so happy you have put the hashtag Sushant Death Mystery, because I've been saying for last 20 days, it's not suicide, it's a mystery. And we need to solve this mystery and we need to find justice. Some of the facts said here, I have been studying this case since the first week of July. I am not saying them as a lawyer, but I wrote 2 chittis to Mumbai police. And one question, if you can ask your crime beat reporter, I have for him. I sent a chitti to Mumbai police on 10th July, that got delivered. After the case became hot, I sent another letter on 15th July. It comes back as the address has shifted, as the Mumbai police shifted its headquarters and its document. We get tracing reports nowadays. It is so much mystery in this. A letter of 10th July gets delivered. A letter of 15th July does not get delivered. How does that happen on the same address? I, as a lawyer, have never seen this. So there is so much happening
somebody is
at
covering
basic
up.
levels.
So somebody is covering up.
Again, that's not the problem. But
No, somebody very professional from the look of it. From the look of it, somebody with knowledge of crime and crime investigations very quickly after Sushant's death did a very quick attempt at a cover-up while also maintaining a certain propaganda machinery which said blame it on Sushant.
Yes.
Do you think so, Nilotpal? Nilotpal, I want to come back to you again. Do you think so, Nilotpal?
Sir, the thing is, if they are saying he was not keeping well or something is there, they try to call his sister. Why not they called Ria? Ria just left the home 3 days ago. She must be staying nearby to the house. Did they check with Ria that, madam, something has happened? They must have the Ria number. Did she was partner? She mentioned to Amit Shah that she wants CBI inquiry. She was girlfriend. So why not she gave instruction to break the door? Was there something that she was also aware of? Was it pre-planned? And everyone going to, again I'm telling you, everyone going to police station, they are big actors, they are skilled in acting. You can never understand where they are telling truth, wrong, lie, how you will judge them. You're not doing a narco test or polygraphic test. You will be not aware what they are saying. So the thing is, giving his medical history, then someone is tweeting that he's bipolar, all the media people are starting right, he's bipolar. Before drinking juice, he was not bipolar or depressed. Stealing party, he was not bipolar. When he was doing Dhoni movie or Chichore, he was very much okay. But again, when he has to do it, then he has got something in 30 minutes time. And then again, in front of her, there must be many friends.
When did you...
For example, why the servant not called Ria? Why he wanted to call someone
when did you last meet? When did you last meet him? When did you last meet him, Nilotpal?